Good morning, this is John. In my business English lesson today, I want to talk about a very useful and important word that I recommend you use in business and or at work, the word should. We use should in business English to give advice, to recommend, or to say something is a good idea. So how can we use should in a sentence? Well, the first thing we need to do is look at the grammar rule or pattern for using should in a sentence. Okay? This is the grammar rule here, or the pattern you should follow using should in a sentence. Okay? So it is the subject. The subject could be I, she, he, you, John, Maria, the government, the company, okay, plus should, plus the base verb, plus your other information, okay? So she, the subject, should shop, shop is the verb, on Monday, okay? Let's try another one. You, the subject, should buy, the verb, this car, okay? Another example, they should come to the meeting. All right? All right, do you see this kind of pattern, how it goes? It kind of flows very easily, all right? Okay, this last example here is almost the same thing. It's the same kind of structure. John should pay his bills, okay? This is how we use should in a sentence in business English. But how can we make these sentences even stronger? Okay, so using should plus because will make your business English sentences much stronger. Okay, so because is a linking word which introduces reason. All right, remember here, should is the advice or recommendation. Because here will give the reason for the advice. All right? So this box here is the formula or the grammar rule that you must follow. All right? So like before, subject plus should plus the verb plus the object or other information. Plus because plus the subject plus the verb plus the other information if you have it. Okay? So look at this example below. You is the subject, should buy, buys the verb, this car, object, because it is fast. Okay, so the reason for the advice, it's fast. All right? The next sentence here, they should come to the meeting because it is important. All right? Look at this sentence here. She should invest the verb, her money because stocks are cheap. All right? Do you see the pattern here? It's the same as above here. Look at the last sentence here. The government should cut taxes because they are high. All right? Okay, so if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. If you want me to teach a specific lesson, please let me know. Have a very good day, and I will see you in the next lesson.